The Flexispeed Lathe. Now I don't know a lot about these little lathes, or any lathes at all as a matter of fact, but I'll try and go through it and show you all about it. We've got a face plate, a key for the chuck, another centre, and one of the cutting tools. As you can see, we have a handle here that moves that piece in and out. There's this here that shifts that along very minutely. There's a tailstock, whoops, better undo that, which goes in or out. What else have we got? That's the chuck. Key in the chuck. This is belt driven, as you can see. I'm not too sure what that one's meant to do, but it could do with getting checked out electrically by a qualified electrician. I'm going to have to cut the plug off because I don't want anybody blaming me if they get electrocuted. I'm going to try and demonstrate some of the pieces on this, but I'm not quite sure how you work it. Well, I'm going to have to fix the camera on the stand now while I go and plug in the power. Okay, we've plugged in the power, so we'll switch it on and see what happens. That's the chuck going round, and I think that's what they class as an automatic feed at the bottom, what you can see slowly moving along the bed. I better disengage that one before it goes too far. Okay, you can now see how the thing is working. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. I think I've covered most of the parts of it now. Obviously, I don't know everything about them. That comes off. Face plate. Want to do any face plate turning? Like I say, there is another little cutter here, and you've also got two cutters on the square thing. I'll try and show you. There's one there, and there's also one on this side. Presumably you can turn it round. I'm not too sure, but anyway, that's basically the lathe. I will just give you a quick glimpse around the whole thing. This is the reason I'm taking the plug off, because I don't think that could be very safe in the way of wiring. That's why I say best if you get it checked out by an electrician. You've got on and off switch. Thank you for watching.